Hey everybody, Bill Baylis here. And I know it wasn't the intention, and I learned this myself. We all started our business, or we join a family business, and we jump in and we say, this is going to be great. I'm going to be able to work exactly the hours I want to work. I'm going to be able to make all the money I want to make, but I don't know when it starts. But sooner or later, 3 years, 5 years, who knows, 10 years. We don't have a business anymore. We have what I call a fire-breathing, angry dragon. And this dragon loves to eat. It's saying, feed me, payroll, cash flow. It wants attention, clients, staff, family. And before you know it, the day-to-day burden of management is way up. Start maybe thinking to yourself, this isn't what I wanted in the first place. I wanted to have this tame business, but it's fire breathing and it's angry and it wants to be fed. Sound familiar? Now let me give you these 2 tools that I use when I start working with business owners to get control of this fire-breathing dragon business. And the 2 tools, if you notice, the tamer has a chair and a whip. The chair represents process. That's your process. I call it proper factory management. Throughput process. And that's simply saying when you have a client, it should go through steps day to day and everything should be running smooth, just like an engine, just like a machine where the client is really happy, the dragon is really happy, and at the end, everybody's getting the results that they want. But the whip, and that's how you really can control a business. And the whip represents fiscal, financial responsibility. And in my world, that means running your business by the numbers. Numbers do not lie. And that's using tools like KPIs, profit centers, and everything I know how to use, what I call solid bottom line fiscal management. These are new steps. Start to internalize this, but sooner or later, start putting process, run your business by numbers. You won't have a fire-breathing dragon anymore. You'll have a tame, easy to run, easy to love dragon. I'm Bill Baylis. Create success on purpose.